What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have an adjustable holder bracket for your aquarium light. Now, this is supposed to raise your light up a little bit higher than what it is. And this should be the answer to your issues or problems, if that's a problem for you. Now, this is clear or transparent, and hopefully we have instructions. If not, I will have to look at the picture. All right, so you have two stands right here. All right, stand. Okay, that fits in there. Oh, but that's supposed to go out like this. So I will have to look at the picture, you guys. Let me see. No instructions. So we don't have instructions for this, but we should be good by looking at the photo. So from what I see from the photo, this part is to goes towards like the inside of the aquarium, and this part goes towards the outside when it's on the side. All right, and the way this fits is just like a puzzle, you guys. So it fits right in just like that. All right, now this have different levels of adjustment of height. You can see these little knots right here from what I see. Now we will have to figure that out on our own once we get through this thing. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we are going to put it on. So it goes on the side like that, and then we screw it on. Okay, this is not that bad. If you're not mechanically inclined, this will probably be overwhelming. So I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. So you have to grab a long screw for this project, you guys. They give you 2 long screws, 2 short screws. I believe you may be able to use the short screws that come with it. They give you 3 screws. They don't even need to be long for my fish tank. And for these screws, they have a little slit in the middle. It looks like you could put a flathead screwdriver onto it. My light is vertical, so I'm going to be over this side. I'm doing that all wrong. All right, now it looks like I barely made it with these small screws. I see why they gave you long screws now. All right, so we got that. Now, when you want to adjust your height, they have the knots right here. So take it back off. So if you need to know the height of one side to the other, you can just match up to whatever knot you on. That's how you know what knot you need to go to the other side. Anyways, and they got a brand name right there. So brand name should face the outside so everybody can see the brand name, right? Little screw. Now, if you want your light up really high, then you will go to your last knot right there. Now I'm just doing this for fun, but I might bring it down a little bit lower. I don't know yet. All right, now I'm gonna do the same in reverse for the other side. So don't All right, you guys, now for the moment of truce. And now you have your light riser. All right. Now this fit many of different light. As you can see, they have little notches right here. This one is a little bit smaller, so you know it is what it is on that one. But there we go with that. So it is up a little bit higher. All right, this looks about 4 inches higher than what it usually is. Might be 5 inches. But this is for the people that want their light a little bit further away from the water. This is cool. So let me go ahead, clean this fish tank, and that will be it. If y'all guys have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.